Hello, I'm Diane and I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska. I just bought a new house in an established neighborhood with leaves everywhere, busting out of the gutters. I called LeafFilter because there was a welcome to the community coupon. So I called them and just asked what they could do. They scheduled a consult with me. Paul came. He was very friendly, very helpful, explained everything, showed me the differences in different products, and helped me understand why LeafFilter was the best possible solution for my system or for my situation. I said yes, and he scheduled the install within a week. My installer, Sean, came on time, on the right day, walked me around the house, explained what he was going to do. When he was finished, he cleaned up the mess. He said thank you. He even showed me how to register for my warranty. I was appreciative of all the time that he spent with me. The process was seamless and painless, and I no longer have leaves busting out of my gutters anymore. I wish